Cummins engine in a professional workshop. Diesel engines are the backbone of heavy-duty performance, and Cummins engines are known for their power and reliability. But at the core of that performance is the fuel injector responsible for precise fuel delivery and combustion. Proper injector preparation is critical to ensure efficiency, longevity, and smooth engine operation. In this video, we'll walk you through step-by-step instructions on how to properly prepare Cummins diesel injectors for installation. 1. Understanding the role of diesel injectors. Cut to 3D animation of a diesel injector functioning inside the engine. Fuel injectors play a vital role in diesel engines by atomizing and delivering fuel directly into the combustion chamber. Cummins injectors are designed for precision, but even the smallest issue such as dirt, improper lubrication, or a loose seal can result in poor performance, rough idling, or even engine failure. 2. Prepping your work area safety first. Cut to a clean, well-organized workbench with tools and injectors laid out. Before starting, it's essential to work in a clean environment. Even microscopic debris can damage the injector's delicate internal components. Here's what you need: a lint-free work surface, nitrile gloves to prevent contamination, manufacturer-approved cleaning solvents, proper torque tools for installation, clean diesel fuel or lubricating oil for O-rings. 3. Inspecting the injector before installation. Cut to technician holding an injector, rotating it under bright light. Before installation, carefully inspect each injector. Look for visible signs of damage, corrosion, or debris. Check the nozzle tip, O-rings, and fuel inlet for any abnormalities. If you notice scratches or damage, do not install the injector. It can lead to leaks or improper fuel spray. Pro tip: even brand new injectors should be inspected before use. Shipping and handling can introduce dust and debris that could impact performance. 4. Cleaning the injector. Cut to technician using approved solvent to clean the injector. Tip: cleaning is a crucial step. Use a manufacturer-approved solvent to wipe down the injector. This removes any leftover machining oil, debris, Merry Christmas, Happy Christmas that might clog the nozzle. Avoid using compressed air directly on the nozzle, as high-pressure air can damage the precision components inside. Avoid harsh chemicals. Only use Cummins-approved cleaning agents to prevent injector damage. 7. Talking to manufacturer specifications. Cut to technician using a torque wrench on the injector. What's going on? Hold down bolt. Once in place, secure the injector by tightening the hold-down bolts. It's crucial to follow the manufacturer's torque specifications to avoid over-tightening, which can crack components, or under-tightening, which can lead to fuel leaks and performance issues. Cummins injectors typically require precise torque settings. Always refer to your engine manual for the correct values. 8. Final inspection testing. Cut to technician double-checking connections and seals. With the injector installed, perform a final inspection. Check for proper seating of the injector. Secure hold-down bolts, no pinched or damaged O-rings. Correct alignment of the fuel return lines. 9. Priming the fuel system. Cut to technician bleeding air from the fuel system. Before starting the engine, you need to prime the fuel system. This removes any trapped air, preventing rough starts and misfires. Depending on your Cummins model, you may need to manually prime the fuel pump, or cycle the key several times to pressurize the system. Skipping this step can result in hard starts or injector damage from dry firing. 10. First engine start performance check. Cut to Cummins engine starting up and running smoothly. With everything in place, start the engine and let it idle. Listen for smooth operation and check for any leaks. If the engine runs rough, double-check the injector seals and fuel connections. Pro tip: if the engine misfires or smokes excessively, perform a diagnostic scan to ensure all injectors are firing correctly. Conclusion. Final thoughts. Cut to technician giving a thumbs up next to a running Cummins engine. By following these steps, you ensure your Cummins diesel injectors deliver maximum power, efficiency, and reliability. Proper preparation makes all the difference. in extending the life of your engine. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more Cummins diesel maintenance tips. Oh my God.